Good morning. We're at Palm Beach Ceramics, and we just checked in this 2000 BMW 24 X6. And where you see all the little yellow tape, those are all scratches. This is brand new vehicle. Those are scratches from the factory. It's hard to tell with the video, but everywhere we have marked off are scratches that we're going to have to wet sand out and then do a pure cut compound and then do our normal 3-stage polishing compound to the whole vehicle before we even get close to ceramic coating it. We're also going to remove the wheels and ceramic coat the entire rim for the customer and the calipers. And we were able to do the full paint correction process and get all the scratches that were marked with the yellow tape out. 2 coats of ceramic on all the glass also. And on this vehicle, the customer opted to get the ceramic coating done on the interior.